In this question, I'm graphing the equation y equals negative 1/3 x plus 4. Okay, so let's take a look at my equation, negative 1/3 x plus 4. So, in this case, I have my slope, right? So let's start with the slope. It's right here. Okay, that's my slope. And it's negative 1/3 x. Now remember, slope is always rise over run. And what's tricky about this slope, what's different about the previous question, is that this slope is negative. Now, that negative doesn't make this 1 negative and the 3 negative, because think, that would be negative 1 divided by negative 3. A negative divided by negative is actually a positive. So when we have a slope and it's negative, we can just attach that negative to either the top or the bottom. Usually we attach to the top. But technically, I could attach to the bottom too. So now, when I go to rise negative 1, what does that mean? What does it mean to rise negative 1? Well, rise means to go up, but if I'm rising a negative number, that means I'm going to go down 1. So I'm going to go down 1 here. And then we always run. We run to the right. Okay? We run to the right. Run is generally positive. We run to the right. If this is negative, we go to the left. But for right now, our run is always going to be positive. And if we do have a negative fraction, we're going to go ahead and attach that negative to the rise, to the top of the fraction. Okay? And then, of course, we have our y-intercept, which is going to be the starting point for our graph. Okay, so we're going to start at the y-axis at positive 4. This is a positive. So we're going to start here at a y-intercept of positive 4. And then next, we're going to come over here and we're going to rise negative 1. We're going to go down 1 and right 3. So let's take a look how this is going to happen. Get my line over here. I'm going to start at positive 4. I'm on the y-axis. Remember, the up and down axis. I'm going to start at positive 4. And now, remember, my slope is down 1 over 3. So I'm going to take my point B. I'm holding on to it right now. I'm going to go down 1 and right 3. 1, 2, 3. And there's my line.